Find the area of the circle, round to the nearest whole number. All right, we have two circles here. We want to find the area of each one. Let's start with this one. You need to know the formula for the area of a circle. It's going to be A equals pi r squared, where r is the radius. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle out to the outer rim of the circle. And in this problem, the radius is given to us. It's 37 inches. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to plug in 37 where the r is. Pi is 3.14 where the decimals go on forever. So to be able to calculate this, I'm going to use a calculator. You need to have a calculator that has a pi button on it. So I'm going to hit pi times 37 times 37, or times 37 squared. I get 4,301 if you round it to the nearest whole number. So the area here is 4,301. And don't forget the units. The radius is in inches. The area is in square units. So the area is going to be 4,301 square inches, or inches squared. All right, let's find the area of this circle. This circle, the diameter is given to us. So if we want to use this formula for the area of the circle, we need to find the radius. The radius is half of the diameter. So if the diameter here is 32 centimeters, the radius is going to be half of 32. And 32 divided by 2 is 16. So the radius is 16 centimeters. So I'm going to use the same formula, but now I'm going to plug in 16 for the radius. So this time in the calculator, I'm going to do pi times 16 times 16. So I got pi times 16 times 16. And rounded to the nearest whole number, I have 804. And the radius is in centimeters, so the area is going to be in centimeters squared. That's how you find the area of the circle.